Hey, welcome back. So today we're working on a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee using the SmartPro standard push start. It's going to be a 2017. We're also going to need the star connector cable, and we plug in down here through the passenger side of the vehicle, not the OBD port. Let's go ahead and get started. So we have multiple year ranges. So we have 14 through 17 push start. It might be that. It's probably not. Let's go ahead and do this option. Let's go ahead and try the switch off, hazards on. Cool, we're connected. Let's read the pin. And again, when you're using a star connector, it's not going to show voltage. So you're not plugging into the OBD. Cool, there's a pin code 6077. Cool. Okay, and let's do program keys. Is that the pin code? Yes. So again, I'm going to hold like so, and I'm gonna press like so. Or like this. There it goes. Cool. And I come back, and it's done. And we're done. Cool. And we're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.